Musalia Mudavadi gole gogotechi President William Ruto bunge ne baborora gole gimite tuti kemiten en orit ne standing orders asiko muktochi minister egotita tait ne babunge agetepsen icheget ngolole Musalia en kasatene gayaitu yet not ne babetu tek somoga na yat ko Liason committee conference in county ne Uasin Gishu koma gole nitan gowendi gogere gole agemoch kengang paisioni kebo chepkondo gen sectors cheterter chebo serikali.
The memorandum, His Excellency the President urged Parliament to consider implementing mechanisms within the standing orders to facilitate the participation of cabinet secretaries in parliamentary proceedings, particularly by responding to questions raised by senators. This embodied the government's better commitment to promote accountability and openness in the management of public affairs. Let me quote the President. The executive has a vested interest in engaging productively with Parliament because the legislature is the custodian of critical instruments that are indispensable for the functioning of government. There is a profound value in prosecuting the executive's legislature agenda and elaborating government policy from the floor of the House as opposed to segmented committee engagements. End of quote. The President observed that the executive participation in parliamentary business improves transparency of public proceedings, thus helping to close the information gap and enhance trust between citizens and government. Subsequently to this memorandum, amendments were introduced to the standing orders of both houses of Parliament. The amended standing orders of the Senate allow cabinet secretaries to appear before the plenary of the House to respond to questions raised by members. The standing orders outline the framework for the parliamentary questions and statements, encompassing response, procedures, timelines, notifications, and consequences for non-appearance. The amendments were followed through by various proactive steps by the Senate aimed at ensuring adequate notice by the executive of upcoming questions. As part of these proactive steps, the clerk of the Senate has been dispatching notices regarding the scheduling of parliamentary questions to respective cabinet secretaries. In addition, Parliament has leveraged on technology through the publication on its website